my brain isn't working the way most people do. Like I've got just dyslexia, speech impediments. I'll go to interviews and I really tank every single time that I do. I've gone above and beyond to try to be a corporate guy like my dad was. My dad was very successful. I mean, he was the kind of guy that you want to follow. He could mold reality into whatever he wanted, which is why he would look at me and go like, "Come on, son, you haven't tried everything. Why don't you try to do this? Why don't you try to do that?" And well, it worked for him. It worked for him, and I'm glad that it worked for him. But the same things that he did just did not work for me. And so there we have it. There we have it. And here we are at the fantastic Sutha kitchen, as you can see right here. Oh, smacked right in there. I'm sorry. Oh.
Likey.